Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build sales strategies with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your account. Navigate to the sales section in the main dashboard. Click on customers to view your current customer list. If you're setting a strategy for new customers, click on add customer and fill in the necessary details. Once your customer list is ready, go to the sales receipts option. Select Create Sales Receipt to record immediate sales transactions. Fill in the customer name, date, and product/service details. Make sure to input the correct amount and any applicable tax. Save the sales receipt once all information is reviewed. Next, head to the Reports section from the main dashboard. Select Sales Reports to analyze sales data and customer information. Choose the specific report you want, like Sales by Customer or Sales by Product. Review the report to identify your top-performing products and customer segments. Use this data to adjust your sales strategy accordingly. Next, click on Estimates to create quotations for potential sales. Fill in the customer information, date, and details about the products or services you are estimating. Review the estimate and save it. Follow up with your customer by transitioning the estimate into a sales order if they agree. Go back to the sales section and select Invoices for billing customers. Create an invoice for the services or products rendered. Make sure to include payment terms to encourage timely payment. Send out the invoices and monitor due dates through QuickBooks. Utilize the Collections feature to track overdue invoices. Establish a follow-up routine for overdue accounts to improve cash flow. Regularly review your sales strategies based on the data from QuickBooks. Adjust pricing, promotions, and sales approaches based on performance metrics. Set specific sales goals for your team and monitor progress through QuickBooks reports. Implement regular training sessions to keep your sales team informed about new strategies. Continuously gather feedback from customers to refine your sales approach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.